Okay, warning, don't try this on live attempt. So start this from simple count if this range on wildcard for one character. Just go down here and then copy down also. Name this one as black B and white W here, and then the top one is address AD. So I'm count black, so count if B, copy down. Next is a very long formula, so -1 +1 -1 -100%. This is for direction. So Z is our data. Then G, I will replace blank with number 1 here. Then S is a sequence of 8, which is the grid. And then NO, I use 2 row and to call on the 0 to 8 multiplied by 100. Plus S, this is for the grid, and I span who row. And then direction of moving, so this one up, down, left, right, and diagonal, then multiplied by S. Then this is map for each number, so lambda n for number, and then I use let BYROW BYROW. Okay, then I will look through each number plus direction. Then I'll need to return the grid and then concat everything for each direction. And then this is black, so black I will use text before and then BR, but I need to exclude what one, so right of B by 7, and then text before white, and if error just show me 0, and then sum. So first check is length of black, second check is the substitute of black by black dot, and it to be blank. And then last one, check for the start, have to be number 1 for empty space here. And this is our formula here. And then now I have to check more on XLOOKUP on the address they give. Check for address and return the M. And then if M is more than 0, give me Y here. If not, give me N. Should be N. Okay, N. Cross. Okay, copy down. Next, I already have the X, so just remove this and change to X. Okay, copy down. This one I need to find the maximum grid, so XLOOKUP on large number on M, return address and look for smaller. Okay, copy down and done. Wow, so the formula is really big here. Okay, check some score first, so all correct, and go on top here, got 1000. Okay, next part is try to explain my formula use in very short term. Okay, I'll just copy the formula here and move to this one. Then I'll just return the M, which is the count of capture on each row here. Okay, I'll just copy down some more. I will need to select some with mini number. Look like this one is good. We have 2, 4 something here, a lot. Okay, then I'll just copy this and I'll show G, which is I replace the blank with number 1. So this is our original data here. C here, so replace blank with 1. And okay, I better use the, not sure. Okay, this is the M, and then NO is number from 0, so, and I should be grid, so I'll just show you here. So the formula is the same, but I just show you before I unwrap it here. So this is like 1 to 7, 101 to 107, and then I will wrap row on the address. Should be wait, I forgot the 8. Okay, so each number represent each grid, but now I can add directional when I want to move up or down here, and then just wrap the grid 8 here. I think better copy format from this one to the grid here, so easier to look. Control A. Oh, too much. Wait. Okay, paste format. So this is our grid, and then we have another one. Important one is the direction. So just copy all this and show the direction here. So I change to DI. Oh, not enough space. I think I'll move up here and D, not D here. So this is the moving direction on each row, and +1 every row. So like this is all the direction I use. So it's go in 8 direction, and center one is 0, which I did not get rid of it. Then we need to X look up on all this number and return the grid here. Okay, and then return 0 if it's not found. Then concat each row. So like this, I have to copy the formula down. But the big mistake I did during the live competition, I copy down only 7 rows. So I missed last row. So that's why my level 3 is not work. So concat cannot do it that way. So it will wrap everything in one line. So I need BYROW on this, and then lambda A. So like this way I can concat each row instead of copy down. Then this one is BR on my big formula here. Then after we get it, we can check if it's valid capture. So I will use the black here. So if it's valid, I need to have the white at the end. So I use tech before this, but I don't need the first one. So I use right by 7 because I already know it's 8 digit. Alternatively, you can use mid 2 and large number here. So anything without black, without white at the end will show error. So I wrap it in A and return 0 here. Okay, this one is not good sample, so I think I would just need to add some number onto the direction here. So like D plus some start cell. Each one. Okay, this is return 5 here, I think. No. Okay, this 4, 5, good one. Okay, start from this one. 1 or I forgot. 102. Okay. Then you have another different one, and then here you can see there are 5 black dots there. So what I need to do is I check length of the black dot and then multiply by substitute on this one by the black. So if it's all black, it will return blank here. So let's check, and I need to check if start is number 1 for free area. So left of this, has to be equal to 1 in text. So I got this, and then sum everything here. So this is all the logic here, and then I need to wrap up so that I can use to check all position. Well, okay. So I just need to grab the part with this one. BYROW is BR, and you can see BL there. Basically all the same. Okay, I just copy this and put it at the end. Wow. Just remove let here and then BR, and then N, just use number from NO above. Okay. When I drag like this, so normally I'll just like have to use each grid to show. Then when we have this, we can use map. Okay, I'll just and change that cell to lambda of map there. So map of NO and then lambda N. So this is our variable. So and then let be here, and that variable N, I just change it here, and then close some bracket. Not sure if it's right. Okay, should be good. Then it's spilled, so I need to put another row here. Oh, but number doesn't match, so something is wrong. Oh, I forgot to lock column on that one, but just to get you the idea. So you need to find balance points of using helper column and this nest formula, because this nest formula is really hard to debug. You have to be very precise on that. And with helper column, it will help you to debug a lot easier. So find something in balance here. So I think that's it for today. Thanks for MEWC and Dear Moon Early who create this case. So see you next time. Bye.